Hello YouTube, this is Dave the Mechanic here, and look what I've gotten a hold of. This is a 2013 Dodge Charger 347 5.7 liter engine. And today I'll be removing and reinstalling the bumper. First thing I'm going to do is get this plastic cover up. Looks like there should be something there, but there's nothing here. So if you have something here, then get that out. But this just pulls up. There's a little clips on the bottom, and you can see the clips right there. That just pulls up. And do the same thing to the other one. Okay, I had to take this bottom cover off to get to the drain. So there was something here, a little snap ring, a snap here. I had to take a little snap out of there. One here, one here. Same thing on this side and in the front. So this in the front was just pushed in. Okay, now comes the part for removing the bumper. It's pretty simple. You have a couple of snaps that go in here on the top, just body panel clips basically. Then on the sides you have a couple of body panel clips that go in on here. Pull those out, then you'll be able to move the plastic back, and there's going to be a 10mm bolt right here. You take that off, and then you'll be able to pull that out. You should already have the bottom piece off. I explained how to take the bottom piece off earlier. So once you have all of these off on both sides, and you have these off, you should be able to start to gently pull your bumper. And you also have a plug here and on the other side to take off, and just gently work your bumper off, all the way off. All right, now that we've got the bumper off, it's time to go ahead and put it back on. First thing I would do is, even though this isn't really plugged into anywhere, it's more like just being plugged out of the way, I would go ahead and attach those so they don't hang down. Then of course, to putting the bumper up, you just want to put it right back. It sits on this part here, sits on here, and you want to get it back into the grooves all around. And then right in here is where this sits. So you got these two openings, then they fit these two tabs here, they drop right in there, and you put your screw back in here, and you have two tabs. Of course, once you get it on here, you put this in front of this, and you put your screw in, you put your tabs in, and then you come back to the top. Of course, you want to put your tabs in here all across, and same thing on this side with the screw back here. Now I did forget one screw which goes here, so we can go ahead and put that screw in now, and the other one on the other side as well. Then we can start putting that bumper in. So that's our next step. All right, got the bumper back on. I got it screwed in the back, and I got the tabs in on both sides. I have underneath here, you can see I put the tabs back in, and I went ahead and put these covers on since I'm pretty much done with the bumper. All right, now I'm gonna go underneath and put this bottom panel on. It attaches to the bumper and onto the frame, the bottom frame. So the same way we took it off, we're gonna put it right back on. All right, well, that's another video in the books. If you like the video, like, subscribe, leave a comment. If there's anything I left out, let me know. Anything I could have done better, let me know as well. All feedback is welcome. So until next time, this is Dave the Mechanic. See you again in another video.